these carbon seats. And wait for it. Nico's about to break one. Nico's got loads of room.
How y'all doing? I'm not pulling a good position.
What track is this now?
I'm gonna show this too. The nigga comes to Namibia.
Oh, me too. No, it didn't go away. Huh? Yeah, send it. Send it. Don't tell me.
Go try my copyright, ne?
I puma ngalengo.
You live? I thought you love lives, eh?
When last did you see me like?
Oh.
When last did you see live like?
This one is dangerous.
Boy.
Amehlo wakho ntwana yo.
Boy. You.
Yes.
You smoke?
Ngathi ubhemi paraffin.
Shit. Now,
I always look like this. I was born like this. I was born like this.
Mine okay.
Nah, you chilling.
I'm chilling.
You don't look tired. You look.
You tell you okay? Yeah. She asleep right now. Is that panda? You know, miss.
Bro.
Nah, man, ish.
Yo, I don't know. What the heck is shoo? This one is one of those laced ones, and I can already feel that once I
Can I have my truth,
it's
bro?
over for everyone. It's the first song I play when I connect. Time.
Panda.
2 minutes. Laxoro.
Why do your nails?
How are you?
I'm good, my brother.
I don't
Good,
know.
my friend. Good, my friend.
Laxative, bro. Lax. Thank you, my brother.
Lax, how's your land, Don?
But it's 3 songs that are easily like that.
Ntwana beats ne flow ntwana yeke lokunye man.
Ish, man,
Our
panda, man.
cowboy is also coming different, eh?
Yeah.
Cowboy.
Fuck you.
Let me see how it's your people.
Yeah, this one sounds like it's
Let me see how it's your people. Let me hold your phone. Let me see how it's your people.
There's a filter, so that's why.
this is a master room ukhuluma nathi.
I'm a baddie, bro. If I was bro, even as a nigga, I'm hotter than you.
Well, you were about to say if I was a
Oh,
hundred,
really?
Shoot that thing.
Nah, I'm still here to shoot.
Who hit and tell you? Saying just saw her story, so traumatizing.
So you're getting Mama naked on a video.
When she told me,
What?
yo,
Naked.
I wanted to go to Val same
The
time,
video is try on her.
but she's okay now.
She's showing me her outfit.
She's fine.
If she's naked in them outfits, shit.
Are you going to be watching?
Huh? Nah, we're gonna ask him to like excuse us for like 30. It's gonna take like 30 minutes, bro.
Mike's gonna wanna see you, boy.
Yeah,
I want to sneeze.
What's in I want to wear.
That hoodie.
Then after you watching.
Shut the fuck up. Bruh, stop it. What's wrong with you? Matter of fact.
What?
Ungene nini wena mshana?
Matter of fact.
Ungene nini endlini?
Bro, I was here the whole time. I was sleeping in the master bedroom.
Dog.
And then I took a bath.
Sandra said you're not here. You are coming.
Nah, she was tripping balls. Look at her.
Yeah, but don't have
Eh? I want to let the Wi-Fi late. Are you high? No.
Ilindli yabhora mina nachwala dog.
Oh, Jala,
Xolele mzala. Awuphethe imali.
Can you tell us what happened to Terry? Nah, that's not my place.
AI.
She'll tell you when she's ready.
I'm an AI though. I'm not real. Ngwathuleka. Yes, sis. Thingulala.
God damn, twin.
Let me go cook to it.
Let me go plug this shit.
Scave my truth.
I'll bring it.
Yo, brah. I wanna sneeze, but I can't. Yo. Like, it's literally right here. Are you the only girl there? No.
Yo, baba.
Fusek.
Izoziwe le mpumulo yakho. Yes, sis. Ireva ka. Yo. Kala brr. 2 minutes to brr. Hayi man. Yo. Hey. Uhleka manje.
Bianca says one. Bianca Lings.
Ana yami ngiyazikhulumela.
Fusek.
Now. Spho. Bek. Qalile futhi. Yo. Ano uzothuka mfana impumulo yakho uyisoyi.
Man, Fusek.
Soyidopa la embhedeni.
Fusek.
And pick up your nose from here. And I went back over time.
Wasn't Terry? Man, Fusek, man.
Terry.
Man.
Oh.
I think I pendula. I know that she's sleeping. Sis, man.
Why abantu abamnyama mabathethisa abantu bathi sisi yile nyanyiso. Black people sometimes unokuzibuza how am I black? Because me I'm smart. Black people all in all asiyilima athi. Abantu abamnyama. Ha.
Right.
Thola umuntu aserobot intwana ubhemiwe. Mara ufuna ukuba success, ufuna iFerrari empilweni.
Ubhema ini?
Uyibhemi ihunga. Ihunga. Awuyazi ihunga ntwana. Thinguza mama. Mama momele.
It's fine, Panda.
Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yini ihunga. Uba ningambuza ntwana. Ngabuza anti wami yo.
Did you see that guy that posted about you? I was like, what do you mean?
Anopostile ntwana.
Go. Those nails too thick. They're not. They look thick.
Lena ngizothi ngiyibuza ngithuki. Hey uthuki.
Is he? Tell us who beat Ntabi.
Bekuyimi. Ngiyadlala ntwana ayi. Lena niya screen recorder lena. Umuntu uzoboshwa la kusasa. Cabanga ngishilile ngibhemi